Hi, this is a video showing you how to make your slide and answer the question, can you see particles that make up matter? So we have some different little diagrams here showing particles in a solid, a liquid, and a gas, and we'll be dragging and dropping different things onto our picture. Over here it says, choose two things in the picture. Tell what state of matter they are in. Describe how the molecules move, and if they can be seen, use the box below to type your answer. So not only are we going to label two things here, we're going to be typing our answer here. So I'm going to drag this. You'll see that there's these crosshairs that mean I can move it. And if I go into the corner and I have those arrows, I can make it bigger if I want. So I have the crosshairs here on liquid, and I'm labeling this liquid. I can also add that it's water and change the size here. Now, if I want to add something, I can also insert image from the web. So I'd like to add a deer. So I did deer PNG and I searched here, and I'm going to grab this one. And then once I'm in this corner, I can make it smaller because that is way too big. All right, and I'm going to put him over here. Oh, he's in the water. Okay, and he's a solid, so I'm going to take my solid particles. Maybe I'm going to take some arrows. When I have this circle, I can turn it. So I want to point it at the deer. Okay, and I need to label that it's a solid. Got to make sure my crosshairs are there. And then I'm going to type deer, so I'm just really clear. And over here, I'm going to type the answer. So I'm going to start off saying matter is made of small particles that are too small to see. Right, and then I'm going to say that these particles are called atoms and molecules. And then I'm going to talk about the liquid water first. So I'm going to say water is a liquid. And the particles slide past each other. So I'm explaining how the molecules move. Then I'm going to talk about the deer. The deer is a solid. Molecules in a solid are packed tightly and hold their shape. Matter can be a solid, comma, liquid, or gas, period. Okay, so I've described the two things I've chosen. I've described how the particles move. I wanted to show you the rubric. So you're graded on accuracy. Did you at least talk about two states of matter? Are they accurately labeled? Are they really, really clear? Did you use arrows? Did you put the word? Also, a written explanation. Did you explain that particles are too small, particles that make up matter are too small to be seen? Did you talk about how the molecules move, how a solid is tightly packed, liquids slide past each other, gas particles are spread out? So make sure you describe those, and you're going to get a fun slide, and you can pick and label what you want, and I hope you have a wonderful time doing this.